All right, guys. So to make the bases for either your crayon sculpture or your pencil sculpture, depending on what class you're in, you're going to need the following items. To start, you're going to need a paper towel roll or a toilet paper tube roll, a white piece of cardstock, masking tape, and scissors. This is going to help us make the base. So I'm going to start by making a crayon. For the crayon, you're going to start by just kind of rolling that paper into a cone shape. This may require you guys to work in pairs to get this right. Okay, we want the top to be a good cone shape. That means you're going to pull it and roll until it kind of fits over the top of your paper towel or toilet paper roll. Okay, it is okay if it's not a perfect point. So if I get it this far, I am okay. So at this point, you're going to want to have a partner at your table help you by pulling off a piece of masking tape to hold your cone in place while you move on to the next step. So one of you will hold your cardboard stack roll in place, your cone. This is the top of the crayon. The other's going to get the masking tape off for you. And once you get it to the right place where you want it, you're just going to put that tape around the cone to hold it in place. Okay. Now, once that is secured, you will no longer need help for this next part. You're going to go ahead and put another piece of tape just along the top to really make sure that it is secured well. Okay, for the next part, we want to make sure that this will adhere to the top of the crayon, the toilet paper roll or paper towel roll well. So to make that happen, what you're going to do is take your scissors and just cut some tabs around the base of the cone. And if you need to cut off some extra part of the paper to make it look more cone-like, you're welcome to do that as well. So I'm going to go through and just cut the base so it makes some tabs. What that's going to do is make sure that as we go to fit it onto the crayon, it will wrap around nicely. Okay, so you should have little tabs going around the outside. This time you're going to need a partner again to help you. So have your partner get the tape while you hold it in place. And you're just going to tape your cone to the paper towel roll, like so. Once your partner's helped you with the first step, trying to make sure it's on there tight, get some more tape. And just really make sure that that cone is secured to the top. Okay, so as I've said a couple times here, this is going to require you guys to work as a team today. The goal today is to make sure everyone is able to get a finished, completed crayon, not necessarily that everybody gets their own with their name on it. Everyone needs to get a finished crayon by the end of the day, or pencil, whichever your class is working on. Okay, the base is now complete. It should look like this if you are done. And in just a moment, we'll talk about how to do the plaster part.